fat biking and a little urban exploration at the same time, eh? How does that sound for you? Now, what exactly is this place? This is just tucked to the side of Bond Lake here. It's boarded up, it looks like. Huh. What is this place? I have no idea. Your guess is as good as mine, folks. Wow, it's even open. Wow. What in the world have we got here? Nothing much, really. It's more like of a shed to me than anything. Bunch of garbage inside of there. Here's this thing here. Get my GoPro get in there. Not really. There's not a whole lot of sea in there anyway, to be honest, but there's more than just this here at Bond Lake, guys. A lot of mosquitoes out right now. But just like, check out the view. This is really something. Alright, let's get back here. If we can get back on the trail another little while. Let's see what we can pick up. What does that sound? Something else here. Something made out of brick. Stone, I should say. Cinder block. No idea what this place here is. Doesn't look like much. It's kind of been trashed. Okay. Oh my goodness, we see another cabin down here, folks? What? I see another cabin. What the heck? It's another bloody cabin? I think it's another cabin here. Check this out. Wow. Just look at that. This looks like another cabin to me. So much stuff just surrounding Bond Lake here. Pretty crazy. Yeah, obviously not a whole lot to see inside. Very old, as you guys can tell. Kind of decaying slowly but surely. Pretty crazy though how the surrounding area here just has so many structures and buildings and cabins, monuments, whatever you want to call it. That's pretty nuts. That's pretty cool. I'm not sure who the heck owned all this stuff in the past, but that's pretty sweet. Haven't seen that here before. Alright, let's continue.